for this and just
knocked him. You knocked him. Where was he at? Where'd you knock him at?
Sniper down.
Oh,
right
you took the vehicle out.
Yeah, I took the vehicle out. There's a guy
God
on top
damn.
of the sniper.
copy that.
Right where I marked. They're gonna have to jump to the.
So they're gonna have to jump. Stay behind cover, unless you're a sniper.
Got him. One shot.
Fucking
Team
nice.
wipe.
Ain't nobody coming behind us, though.
No, the gas is coming behind us.
Marked one right there.
Alright, I got clipped.
Oh yeah, there is one behind us. Downed him. Eliminated.
I gotta get off.
There was another one. There was another one too.
Yep, see him. Headshot. Team wipe.
I'm getting fucked right on me. Oh, motherfucker was in the bush? He's just hiding in the bush.
I'm sliding as fast as I can. I'm not gonna make it.
You're close now.
What a bitch.
Bro.
It's all
Oh.
Sliding, hiding in the bush right there.
Right where?
gas is inbound. Marking new
Like
safe
on the
zone.
side of that cliff we were, or that little thing we were on.
Cat's shooting them.
I killed one of them.
Cat, just stay right the fuck there. Look to your right, just a hair. I know there's a team over there.
You're gonna have to move.
I
He
got,
is, but
I
he's
got a
not-
gas mask up.
Yeah, he can move in with the gas a little bit.
Gas is inbound.
Slowly, Cat. Don't let that gas
Where
skin.
they,
The
where
gas.
they at?
If you let that gas animation activate, it'll
There's
fuck you up.
definitely gonna be guys to your right. Yep.
Damn it, I can't see them. Where the hell they at?
Shield up while you can. They're distracted on them. Go down.
Prone.
Prone.
Right there, in front of you to your right.
Yeah.
That rock formation to your right there, there's dudes
Hold on,
right there.
hold on. Just let Cat do it.
Okay.
You're good.
You just saw him to your right again.
Sucks.
Gas is
There's
closing.
two that dropped.
Get to the new safe zone. Finish your mission. Take them down.
You're gonna have to get up. To your right.
Yeah, do not let that man get up.
5
Yep.
left.
Yay.
He's probably got self-res.
To your right. Plate up. Plate up.
Can't. He doesn't have
Oh, he
any.
doesn't have any. Doesn't have any. My bad.
Where you reckon
He's
they
still
at?
to your
To
right.
your right. To your right. To your right.
Right by that tree right in front of you. You just saw him.
He was coughing. Right there.
Oh, right there. Two of them.
Other one. Team wipe. Reload. Look left.
You can hear him.
Nope.
Right
Right
there.
there.
Yeah, I see him.
To your,
Move in.
good, charge him. That's the
Reload,
last dude.
reload.
That's the last dude.
Where's he at?
No,
Sam?
there's
Yeah,
still
charge
one
him.
more.
Charge him. Charge him. Charge him. Cat, charge him.
That's the last dude. He downed the last.
Wait,
Oh,
Run,
really?
okay.
Fall back.
One
Fall
more?
back. Fall back. Fall back. Fall back.
There
Pick
is
up.
one more.
Pick up the ammo. Pick up the ammo. Oh, you need ammo. You don't have any
Yeah.
ammo.
I got
He's got
89
enough for
bullets.
this fight.
Right there he is.
Right there.
Right
Right
there.
there.
Right
To your
where?
left, to your left. Oh
Game.
my.
Woohoo! I got the.
Like I
control
said.
that one.
I come to you now. Turn the tide.
God damn. Gandalf.
Y'all put some damn pressure on me right there. You suck. It's good. Right, right, right.
Three backseat quarterbacks.
Hey, I appreciate it. Thank y'all. That's the best
Appreciate
one I've ever
guys.
done.
What was that last guy doing, dude?
I don't know, but I was like, Cat only
He got a
has 20.
sniper out.
He only has 20 bullets. He's fucked. You know you had less than... You had 21 bullets, I believe, when you
No,
killed that last guy.
But I swapped to my other gun, which had 89.
Oh.
Yeah. This is an all F10 moment. What's it get here?
4K damage that game, dude.
Storage and stuff.
Cat did 2,400 damage. Fucking Umbra's down there, the fucking white
Hey,
Gandalf.
don't leave yet. I'm just get the whole storage thing here, but
Oh, you're welcome, guys.
Umbra had 5 kills. I had 7. Glip had 11.